on the pond, underneath the noonday sun. Said to the mama duck, gonna have fun. One little ducky, count to one.
Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Waller Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and I'm here with my friend Alligator. Allie and I would like to remind you that all the books we read on this program count towards your 1,000 books list. So do books you read at home, whether they're brand new books you just brought home from the library or your own books that you're reading for the 10,000th time. Everything counts. If you don't have a 1,000 books kit, you can pick one up at any branch of the library if you'd like a paper kit, or you can go on our website and log on there to use our Beanstack app. That works with your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer. What have we got today, Allie? Show me what's in your mouth. Oh no, your mouth is empty. You didn't bring anything today? What? Oh, careful, that's it. Careful. Allie brought a friend. Where's your friend? Down there? Come on out, friend. Oh, hello. Look who Allie brought today. Allie brought a duck. What's that duck going to say? Quack, 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 quack. Can you do it? Quack, 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 quack. So I guess we're going to have stories about ducks today. Is that right, Allie? It is? Have we got some really good books today? You bet we do. Okay, everybody. Let's all go quackers. Quack, 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 quack. You know, some books have lots and lots and lots of words. And some books have just a few words. But if the pictures are just right, it can tell a story just as well as the book with lots and lots of words. So here's a book with just a few words. Ducks by Deborah Underwood. Ducks by Deborah Underwood. Illustrated by T.L. Macbeth. Ducks! Well, there's 3 of them on the pond. But that other one sees something. What does that other duck see? A butterfly. And it's leaving the pond. And it's watching that butterfly. Uh-oh. Back on the pond, no ducks. Ducks! Duck hears something. It's saying, squawk, squawk, squawk. Maybe those are the other ducks. No, are those ducks? No, it's a couple of people playing band instruments. They're making the squawk, squawk, squawk. Ducks? Well, those are flipper footprints. Maybe those are the ones the other ducks made. Maybe if our duck follows them, he'll find the other ducks. Is that a duck? No. It's somebody with flippers on and scuba gear. No ducks. Ducks? Maybe. Do you see a whole lot of feathers? Ducks do have feathers. Maybe those are the duck's feathers, and if you follow them, you'll find the other ducks. Let's see. Are those ducks? No, they're just a couple of people shaking feathers out of their pillows. No ducks. Ducks? Well, that's an egg. Ducks do lay eggs. Do you think a duck's going to come out of that egg? Is that a duck? No ducks. That's not a duck. Looks like a little baby alligator, kind of like Allie. And it's saying, Mommy? Oh no, that's not her mommy. And that's not a duck. No ducks! Oh no. All over the city, but there aren't any ducks. Oh no, poor Duck is very sad. But Duck sees a sign. Do you see that sign? Do you know what it says? There's a picture of something. It says, Lost Dog. And I think that might give Duck a good idea. Look, Duck put up a sign. Do you see what it says on that sign? lost ducks. But then, look on that tree. There's more signs. They say, lost duck, come home. Lost. I think somebody's looking for duck. Look at that. Duck's friends were looking for duck. They're back at the pond. And now they're all together. Ducks. Butterfly's back too, isn't it? This is Ducks. This is by Deborah Underwood. You can get it at the Alexandria Library. And you know something? I bet if you read it again, you could read it all by yourself, couldn't you? You know, I love a story or a song with a happy ending. And Duck's story had a happy ending. And here's Mother Duck to help us sing a song that has a happy ending. You don't have a Mother Duck puppet probably, so for Mother Duck you can just go like this. Quack, quack, quack with your hand. And Mother Duck has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducklings. Do you know the song? It sounds kind of like this. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. How do you do 4? Hide one finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Show me 2. 1, 2. Here we go. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 but none of her 5 little ducks came back. Oh no, Mother Duck, are you sad because your ducklings haven't come back? We'll go out and find them. Will you help Mother Duck? Here we go. Old Mother Duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all of her 5 little ducks came back. And you know what they said? Quack, 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 quack. Good job, Mother Duck. Like I said, I love a happy ending. Here's a great collaboration. That means when people work together. And here it's Joyce Dunbar and Peter Horacek, and the book is called Grumpy Duck. Grumpy Duck by Joyce Dunbar, illustrated by Peter Horacek. Duck was feeling grumpy. The pond was dry, so she couldn't paddle in it. She had nobody to play with. A small black cloud appeared over Duck's head. She waddled over to Dog, who was digging a hole. "I've got nobody to play with," she said to Dog. "You can play with me," said Dog, "if you like digging holes." "I don't," grumped Duck. "Digging holes would make my feathers dirty." "Ah," sighed Dog, and the little gray cloud got bigger. Pig was rolling in the mud. "I've got nobody to play with," Duck said to Pig. Come and play with me, said Pig, in my gloopy puddle. No thanks, grumped Duck. Ducks like water, not mud. Oh, grunted Pig, and the little gray cloud got bigger. Rooster was cock-a-doodle-doodling. I've got no one to play with, said Duck. You can play with me if you like, said Rooster. We could sing a cock-a-doodle-doo chorus. I don't do cock-a-doodle-doodling, grumped Duck. Squawk, said Rooster. And the gray cloud got even bigger still. Rabbit was hopping around. I've got no one to play with, said Duck. Come and play with me, said Rabbit. We can see who can hop the highest. You can, silly, grumped Duck. I'm not silly, said Rabbit. And the little gray cloud wasn't little anymore. It was big. It's a big cloud, isn't it? Tortoise was dozing in his shell. I've got no one to play with, said Duck, tapping his shell with her beak. You can doze with me, said Tortoise. It's very peaceful. More like boring, said Duck. Tut, said Tortoise. Now the gray cloud was, look at it, huge. Cheer up, Duck, said Goat, who was busy eating the washing on the line. I've got no one to play with, said Duck. Share a snack with me, said Goat. Here's a nice T-shirt. Ducks don't eat clothes, said Duck, and neither should goats. You'll get a stomachache. Oh, will I, grumbled Goat. And now the great gray cloud was ginormous. It was a great gray blob hanging overhead, and now all the animals were grumpy. Then something strange began to happen. The great gray cloud turned blue and purple and yellow until it was black. What do you think is going to happen to that cloud? Sitting beneath this ginormous black cloud was a dog who had stopped wagging his tail, and a pig whose ears were drooping, and a rooster who'd stopped cock-a-doodle-doodling, and a rabbit who'd lost his hop, and a tortoise who decided never to come out from his shell again, and a goat who was scowling at the big black cloud, and a duck who was still grumpy. What kind of a cloud was it? Was it a gloom cloud or a mood cloud? Could it be? Was it a grumpy duck cloud? Would it blot out the sun forever? Could it burst? Yes. Oh, look. Suddenly there were splat, splop, plink, platter, 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 drop, drizzle. Millions of big, shiny, wet, splashy raindrops. Duck spread her wings wide open. She splashed and she splashed and she splashed. Duck wasn't grumpy anymore. I'm waddling in the rain. Quack, 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 she sang. One by one, they all joined in. I'm plopping in the rain. Oink, 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 oink. I'm barking in the rain. Woof, 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 woof. I'm cock-a-doodling in the rain. I'm hopping in the rain. I'm drinking and drinking in the rain. Bloop, bloop, what a glorious feeling, bleated Goat. We're happy again, just waddling and paddling by the pond, they all sang in chorus. And where was the black cloud? Gone! And in its place was a rainbow. And in its place was a rainbow. The end. This is Grumpy Duck, and again, it's by Joyce Dunbar and Peter Horacek, and we have other books by both authors right here at the Alexandria Library. It's time for us to say see you later, Alligator Alley. No, but we'll be back next week. We'll be back here on YouTube, and we hope we'll see you here. Even more, we hope we will see you at the library, because you know we have so many wonderful books at the library. The ones that we do on this program are just the beginning. Come and visit us soon. Thanks so much for being here. See you later, Alligator. In a while, Crocodile. We love you. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.